So we are back here in the terminal. We're going to go ahead and get into MySQL. So we'll do MySQL-U, which is for user. My user is root. We'll do -p, which is for password. Then it'll ask us to enter the password. So enter the password, and we're going to go ahead and create the database. So we'll do create database, and we'll call our database ecommerce underscore DB, and we'll put a semicolon. And so let's check over here. We're going to go to databases, and yes, ecommerce underscore DB. We don't have anything in our tables yet, but we're about to fix that. So let's exit out of MySQL. And we're going to go ahead and do npm. We're going to do run seed. Okay, so that is added all of the stuff to our tables. Well, created the tables and then added the stuff into the tables. And let's go ahead and make sure that that is correct, because we come over here, we got category, we've got product, we've got product tag, and we've got tag. So the next thing we need to do is connect to our server. So the way we're going to do that is npm start. Now we come down here, it says app listening on port 3001. So that means what we can do is let's go ahead and I want to just come over here and have kind of a frame of reference to check from to make sure that we're doing everything correct. So let's go to products. We can check on all of our products this way. So we do the get for all, and it comes over here. You can see it's got cargo shorts, plain t-shirts, running sneakers, top 40 music compilation, vinyl record, and that's all over here. So let's go ahead and we will select one of the products. We'll say cargo shorts. Let's do that. So we'll give it the ID of 5. We got cargo shorts. Let's create something. I already went ahead and put some stuff in here. So we're going to create a smartphone that's for $1,200. We got 1,000 of them. Let's just, we'll say we have 2,000 of them. Alright, so now we come over here and let's refresh this. We've got smartphone of $1,200, and there's 2,000 of them. We've got a category ID of null, which we're about to change that because we no longer want smartphones, we want smartwatch. And it's going to be a price of $600 and a stock of $30,000 with a category ID of 4. So let's do that. So now when we come over here, we'll refresh that. We've got smartwatch. We've got a price of $600, stock of $30,000, and category ID of 4. Let's think of something to delete though. Let's go ahead and delete plain t-shirt. No longer wanting to carry those. So we come over here and refresh. Plain t-shirt is no longer there. So now let's move on to categories. And we're going to do the same thing and double check over here. Okay, so let's check all of our categories first. So we see that all that matches over here. We got hats, we got music, we've got shirts, we've got shoes, all of it. So let's check on just one of them. So let's say we want to check on shoes. We'll do an ID of 5. And there's our shoes. Let's go ahead and create. I want to create one for bikes, and it'll auto increment, so we should be getting it on ID of 6 with a category name of bikes. So we come over here, we can see ID of 6, category name bikes. We'll refresh this. Same thing. And let's update it. So now we don't want hats. Hats are boring. Planes are in. That's what we want. So we give it an ID of 4, and the category name will be planes. And we come on over here. There's no hats, there are planes. And let's go to delete category of 1. That's shirts. We don't like shirts. We're trying to get rid of all of our shirts. We no longer want to carry them. So we'll go ahead and do that. And come over here. Shirts are gone. So next, let's go to tags. And we'll do the same thing over here that we've been doing. So we've got rock music, pop music, blue, red, green, white, gold, and pop culture. So let's go ahead and make sure that matches over here. Yep, we've got it over here as well. The next thing we want to do is let's just check on one of them. So we'll check on rock music. There it is. And we'll go ahead and create something. So since it's auto incrementing, we should come down here. It should be an ID of 9 and the tag name of purple. So we see ID of 9, tag name of purple. And let's refresh. There we go. And to update it, let's say we no longer want to carry pop music. We want to only carry metal music. So no more pop music, metal music instead. And lastly, let's do delete. We are going to delete pop culture. And let's see what we get here. No more pop culture. So now that we've done that, we'll just go ahead and disconnect from the server. And that's it.